guys, this is HoldstrongTrader here, and the word of today is winner. Make sure that you guys watch the full video to support our channel, to make sure that a lot of people start coming to this channel. We're trying to hit the 1K subscriber so we can start doing the $1,000 giveaway every single video. As for right now, I want to do a trading video, just basically showing you guys a few strategies, things to look for if you guys are into trading, into the platform of binaries. Um, but before that, this week has been kind of rough. This week has been something else. A lot of traders are suffering. A lot of YouTubers that I know, they're going through a hard time. So same thing here. I've felt it. I feel like right now it's been a rough week, but let's get it going. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen this specific strategy. It's actually one of the first strategies I've ever actually learned. Basically, and I don't recommend it if you don't know what to look for, but basically, you start with a small amount, maybe $5, right? If you were to lose that position, you end up putting $10 after that, you end up putting $30 after that, you end up putting 100. So basically, you start increasing it over time. I wouldn't recommend it if you are new to trading because you don't know what to look for. Right now, I'm looking at the awesome oscillator, and it's showing me that it's actually pretty weak. It's showing me that there's a good opportunity for momentum. So I'm going to take this chance, and let me see. I think I might just go with, yep. All right, so I have a feeling. All right, AUDCHF. All right, right now there's not a lot of momentum, but what I do see is that it went down. It got rejected hard. It's now at a new level, and it's actually at mid-range, and I think it's going to continue pushing up. It might come back down this way, and if it pushes down, even better. I have another strategy for that. But once it hits that 4-minute mark, I'm going to be going in a position. All right, here we go. So I'm putting one position for a minute. Our return is $17 basically. All right, so while I'm in this position, I'm actually going to increase our size. So we will increase it to 50. So remember what I told you guys in the last video. Basically, what we're trying to do is make 150 a day. So I'm not trying to lose more than 150, and I'm trying to make 150. I'm not trying to aim for thousands. Like, that will come to me naturally. Like, it's just a matter of time. If you're consistent and you're being disciplined. Another thing why I'm telling you guys to be aiming for small is because if you know anything about binary options, if you know anything about the platforms, is that it can be manipulated. There's someone in the back looking to see if you are winning. All right, so that one lost. All right, I'm gonna put another one. So there's someone always in the background, looking at how much you're putting down, how much your trade is. If you start putting in big positions automatically, they know you're an easy target. They know that you are willing to risk it all. And that's what they like to see, because they can manipulate it, hold the movement for a little bit, and make you lose your position. So when you're trading, you have to be smart. You have to strategize. And here, let me see if I can see. All right. So you have to strategize. Like, what am I actually here to do, right? What can I do to prevent a loss? All right, here we go. All right. So, um, a lot of people come into binary with $20 and they come in aggressive. They come in ready to like murder the market, and that's not the right way to approach the market, you guys. You guys want to come in very intelligent. You want to come in disciplined, and you want to come in ready to put in. If you have a $20 account, you should probably just be putting $1 positions. Like, what are you crazy if you put down 20? If you have a $2,000 account, you probably want to start off doing small strategies where your max put is maybe $50. And here you go. All right. Oh, oh, are we getting this one? Yeah, we got it. All right. Okay, so we just made about $88 minus 17. So we made 18 bucks right there. All right, and I'm actually gonna wait for a good opportunity. So we're up 18. And I actually don't want to keep doing this strategy. I'm actually going to do a different strategy just so you guys can see. Because that strategy that I just showed you guys, I don't recommend if you're just starting off. Because it's very risky. The binary platform itself, they know exactly what you're doing, and they know that you're just you're gonna up one again and again and again, and they're gonna get you for that. All right, so I'm just trying to see how this is moving. I'm gonna wait until we hit that 1 minute and 30-second mark, and I'll show you guys why. I'm trying to see what exactly they're gonna be doing here. And this is gonna bounce up. Excuse me. And this is gonna bounce up and be rejected and continue going up and go above this resistance level, or if it's gonna be pushed down. So when you're trading in the last position, it's a bad example, but when you're trading, you want to go in the direction of the movement. At the time when I was putting the position, it was going in the direction, but it changed direction. So you when you're starting off, you want to be in the direction. So actually, we are going to be putting down 50 in the direction in which it's moving. But we're going to wait for that 1 minute and 30-second mark. And the reason why we're going to be waiting for that 1 minute and 30-second mark is because it gives a little gap between volatility, between, I would say, manipulation of the market. Because there's a lot of people who are losing their position, and basically the operator on the other side wants to make sure that they lose. So we have to be realistic. With the binary, it's it's risky. There's manipulation in all platforms, to be honest. Like, like forex.com, Nadex, any other trading platform. There's the big guys that are, constantly, they have billions and billions of dollars that are just pouring out their money just to get pennies, and the guys that pay the price are the little guys like you and me. So so we have to be very careful about that. There's manipulation, there's volume, there's you know bad hours to trade. There's just so many things against new traders that could affect you guys. All right, so we're down to 222. We're gonna wait for this position to actually finish. And it's a very slow day. There's no volume at all right now. Here, it's showing me that there's like 383, 406 people trading. It's a very slow day, you guys. Like today is not it's not a day to expect like $1,000 win or anything like that. So I'm not stressing out. Uh, Today in Nadex, it was such a bad day. There's literally nothing to trade, so I hate sitting on my hands. It's just so bad. All right, you guys. So here we go. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. We're putting a $50 position on the upside in the direction that it was moving. So most likely we're going to win this one. If not, we're going to wait for the next opportunity, which will be in like 4 minutes or 5 minutes or something like that. But basically, I don't like to show that I'm desperate when I'm trading. Uh, when you keep putting positions in, so you can like you see that it goes against you, and you keep putting on positions. You put one, you put two, you put three, you put four. What it shows the broker, what it shows the platform is that you are desperate, my friend, and you are an easy target. So they can manipulate it just a little bit. You keep putting positions, and they're gonna keep dropping it, or they keep putting it higher against you. So, all right. So it went down. So I changed direction. All right. So we were up 18, and now we are down 32. Okay. Not a problem. All right. So we can actually look. Here are the options. We can either continue doing 50. If we keep losing 50, then we'll call it a day. But there's another option, right? We can scale it up. So we can move it to 100 and then 300. And then if we lose that, we can call it a day. But I think today it's such a slow day. Um, the other days have been great. The other days, we've been killing it. But today has been a really slow day. So I'm okay with risking a little bit. But once we hit that 300, if we lose that, that is it. Call it a day. You guys can hear it in my voice. I'm so irritated. I just hate slow days. Like, there's just so little we can do. There's not much we can trade right now. But we've been killing it lately. We've been making, what, a couple grand in the past few days. All right. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys watched the whole video. Let me know, and I will give you some extra entries. And I appreciate you guys watching the whole video. If you guys like these videos, let me know. I plan on doing more trading videos, more content for you guys. And I wish this was more exciting. This is really slow, you guys. If you guys have traded before, if you guys have traded binary, let me know down in the comment section. I'm interested to know, and I kind of want to know, like, what has been your experience trading? Okay. Here, this is what we're gonna do. Once it hits 230, and these will be my last two trades for today. So once it hits 230, this is what we're gonna do. This is a different strategy that I've done. And it's basically trying to see. There you go. So we're in this position. I put it $100 down. The return is 88%. So it's $88, right? If I were to move against us, we're going to put a $300 position. If both positions lose, then that means either it's being manipulated or it's just a really bad day to trade. And hey, either or, I'm good. Like I'll I'm grateful for all the other profits, but I'll be done for today. And I think we're going to be winning this one. So we'll be up 88 minus, how much was that? So we were down 32. 88 minus 32, that's 50, 56. So we'll be up $56, not bad. So we're aiming for 150. All right, so, all right, here goes nothing. And I'm telling you guys, sometimes trading is boring. And actually, it's a good thing to be boring because, excuse me. Oh my goodness. You don't want it to be super exciting because once you get excited, once you really start pushing buttons and everything, it's when you start making mistakes and you don't want to do that. All right, so you got, oh, this is good. This is really good. All right, so you got a resistance level right here. Either it's going to break to the upside or break to the downside. So this is what we're waiting for, you guys. This is what we're waiting for. This could be a good opportunity. This could be a good opportunity. Yeah, it's showing it's crossing, but I think it's losing energy. Let's see, NZD USD. You guys can see just by my face, I'm a little tired, honestly. But I do pretty good when I'm tired. Okay. Okay. All right. This has to be one of the slowest days in a very long time. My goodness. I honestly should not be trading. Yeah. Oh. Okay, actually I think I'm going to be doing something here, you guys. So it's pushing down. Well, it pushed down. There's resistance. It's deciding where to go. Let's see if there's any other resistance level here. There is not much resistance. This is really bad. Okay. Ooh, no longer available. $323. Let's see what's going on. Okay, it's pushing down. Will it continue to push down? I see a resistance level right here, but it could be a fake out. Never go against the trend. That's what they always say, right? Alright, so 250. Okay. You guys, I am about to do something I might regret. Okay. Here goes nothing. Alright. The reason why I put these other positions, you guys, the only reason I see that the awesome oscillator is weak right now. That means that there's probably not that many traders. And if that's so, then what that means is that it's weak. So I might be in favor for this. Alright, and actually, I'm going to be pumping the market a little lower. Alright, this will be my last trade for today. Okay, so it looks like we lost 2 positions, 3 positions. Okay. So we're in the green right now. This will definitely be my last position. So the last trade, we lost. Here, we won 1, we won 2, we lost 2. So I think we lost 2 and we won. Yeah, I think we lost 2 and we won 2. So that's not bad. So it kind of evened out. What's the result? What's the result? Alright, you guys. What a horrible trading session. Okay, so let's see. So we evened out, and it looks like I'm up actually. So we evened out 300, 300, 300, lost 2. So 900, 600 minus 900, that is, sorry, 900 minus 600 is 300. Now, it gives me a return of 264. 264. Let's do some quick math. Oh my goodness, this is the last trade for today. 264 times 3 minus 600, 192. Alright, I'm calling it a day. Alright, you guys. We made, I think, over $200, and it's been stressful, and that's good enough for me. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, you guys, hold strong.